what I get in a week of PR. Let's get into it. Starting with the smaller packages first. Ooh. It's the Too Faced Italian Spritz eyeshadow palette. Their packaging is always so cute. Oh, a bit too many shimmers for my liking, but really pretty colours. It smells really nice as well. Next, this one's from FENTY. So I've got some of their Velvet Liquid Lipstick shades. Oh, look at that packaging. I think it comes in 5 shades and I've got 3 of the 5. Let's do some swatches. Oh, that is so pretty. That is definitely a bit of me. So I've got the shades Riri, Breadwinner and HBIC. Which one would you guys choose? Next! Oh, Lottie London Kim Kim Nails. Ta-da! So it's a Lottie London collab with Kim Kim Nails. Let me give you guys more of a close-up. And it's 3 sets of press-on nails. I'll definitely be putting these on once I finish filming. I know what this one is. Some lenses from Coloured Contacts. And some solution, of course. So I've got a mix of natural coloured lenses and like cosplay SFX lenses. Next we got Ciate. Got some eye luster cream eyeshadows. Oh, very pretty shades. Here's the swatches on my hand. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, next up is Beauty Bay. First box. It's a Beauty Bay face palette in the shade Dream Delight. Oh, okay, so we got a few goodies in this one. We got 2 face brushes, one's for foundation and one's for blush, a body-based bronzer, and Golden Glow highlighter palette. And these are the brushes. Please do me one teeny tiny favour and hit that like button. Oh, okay, this is a heavy one. It's from Revolution. Wait a minute, oh my goodness, look at this box. Let's open it, the first drawer. Top drawer. Oh my goodness. So they brought out a new in real life filter finish concealer to go with the foundation. I can't wait to try these and see how it works on my oily skin. I love that they sent shade options as well. Another heavy one, but I have no idea who it's from. L'Oreal. If I can get it out of the box. Ooh, it looks like some hair care. Open this up and this. Oh, we've got pre-shampoo, shampoo, conditioner and serum. If you've tried this, comment and let me know if it's any good. That's all for this week, guys. Thanks for watching.